Welcome back to the Chronicles of Dating After Divorce. I am Joan. Today's topic is breadcrumbing. It's okay to be scared about dating after divorce, but you're not alone. Today, I want to share Anna and John's experience with breadcrumbing. Anna met John on a dating app, and at first, everything seemed perfect. John was charming and attentive. He made Anna feel special again. But here's the catch. John would disappear for days, sometimes weeks. Just when Anna started to get over him, he'd send a sweet message. This is what we call breadcrumbing. Breadcrumbing can be confusing and heartbreaking. Anna felt like she was always waiting for the next crumb of attention. She joined a community like this one of women who had similar experiences. They shared their stories, their pain, and their growth. Through this community, Anna realized she deserved more than just crumbs. She confronted John and walked away, choosing herself over empty promises. Anna's journey taught her to recognize her worth and not settle for less. Don't be afraid to demand the whole loaf. Thank you for listening. Let me know in the comments your experience with breadcrumbing.